With Paid & Co, setting up a direct debit is incredibly fast. You'll enter the landlord details in advance, and then in just 5 minutes on the day that you hand over the keys, you can set up all of the payments for the life of the tenancy. First, you just need to put in the postcode of the property and hit search to find the address. Then the terms for the tenancy. You can have the payment stop after the initial term or roll. Monthly rent due is for the whole tenancy. Tenant rent amount comes later. Contact details for the tenant are important. This is what we'll use to set up the direct debit and what we'll use later to provide the tenant with SMS and email alerts. We ask for the date of birth so that the tenant can be identified when we share their data with credit reference agencies. Payment details are obviously important. The rent due date is up to you, but some letting agents are improving payment performance by shifting this to be just after the tenant's payday, so that there are always funds available when we collect. When you click Save, we send a text and an email to the tenant. Usually the text arrives within 10 seconds, and the tenant can click the link to begin setting up their direct debit. The tenant picks up the text, clicks the link, and then reviews the payment details on their mobile device. They can opt out of sharing their data with credit reference agencies. Then agree all the standard direct debit terms, approve, and they are all done. An email confirmation comes through for the tenant to keep. You instantly get feedback too, so you know the tenant has approved the setup. So that's how you put an end to vague promises to set up standing orders. Tenants authorise the direct debit for the life of the tenancy on the day they collect the keys. You can also say goodbye to handling cash, depositing cheques, and chasing late payments. Thank you for using Paid & Co.